my dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, now tell me, do you remember what did you learn in your last session? Yes, you learnt about alphabet F. So today we are going to do an interesting activity about alphabet F. But before that, let's do a quick recap. This is alphabet F. Mama F, baby F, Mama F, baby F. The sound of F is F. The sound of F is F. F for flag. F for frog. F for fish. F for feet. F for fruits. F for fox. F for flower. F for fan. F for face. F for fig. F for funnel. You know children, funnel का यूज़ हम किसी भी लिक्विड को या तेल को किसी छोटे मुंह वाली बॉटल या कंटेनर में ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जिससे कि वो बाहर ना गिरे. F for finger. F for fork. F for fence. You know children, ऐसे लकड़ी के फैंस ज़्यादातर फार्म के बाहर लगाए जाते हैं to protect the farm and to protect the animals who are staying in farm. Okay, now let's start one interesting activity about alphabet F. For this activity, I have written alphabet F on a paper. I have some flowers, small flowers in different colors and a glue stick. So what we are going to do, you know children, for this activity, we are going to decorate Mama F and baby F. Mama F, baby F. So now let's start decorating it. Okay, now let's start. So I will take pink color flowers for Mama F. We'll start sticking slowly like this. F says fur. Fur as in flower. F says fur. Fur as in flower. See how beautiful it is looking, isn't it? So one by one we will stick flowers on Mama F. What we are decorating right now? Mama F. And which color flowers I am sticking? Pink color flowers. You can also tell your mama to cut small flowers for you, whatever the colors you like. Now we will stick the upper part slipping line. Place them slowly like this. Now we will decorate a small sleeping line. Now let's start decorating baby F. We will use yellow color flowers for this. Start sticking from here. Same the way we decorated Mama F. One by one we'll have to stick all the flowers. F says for as in flower. This. Now slipping line also. See how beautiful it is looking, isn't it? Now I am going to give you one practice worksheet. Look at this worksheet. In this worksheet, there is a picture of a fish. You can color the picture of fish with your favorite colors. You can tell your mama to draw a picture of fish on a paper or take the print out, and then you can color it nicely. I hope you all have enjoyed learning through my video and all have enjoyed the activity too. So see you in next session. Bye bye for today. Take care.